Amazing emergency. Light and lighter.
Ayan ay tsura niya. Ayun si Teacher Mariel. Hi, Teacher Mariel! There you go. So, maliwanag na siya. Kita niyo naman, ano? Another day, another parcel. Yeah, buksan na natin. Let's go. Okay, this actually is from my free sample. And salamat seller for this beautiful flashlight. So what's good about this flashlight? You'll find out now. Ito na siya. Open na. So may kasama siyang USB-C as usual and instruction manual. So on the other side is Chinese and this is English. Good, meron siyang English. At ito na yung pinaka-lighter natin. So, nicely packed naman siya. So, dito pa lang makikita na natin ang kanyang LED. At alam ko marami tong function. So, ang ganda ng design. Ergonomic siya. Wala siyang sharp edges. And it appears to be waterproof. Check natin later. So, ito yung sa ilaw niya. Sa side. Wow! Pwede nang pang fill light, no, sa mga videos. Ayan, ito yung modes. May blinking siya. Ayan, malakas yung kanina. Medyo mahina. Blinking. So maganda siya para pag pumunta ka sa kung saan madilim ay magagamit mo siya as ilaw. So napakalakas ng ilaw niya, no? Pwede. Wow. So finally, I was able to open it. Ganito lang pala. So ito yung pag-charge sa kanya, USB-C ang gagamitin mo. You can plug it in a computer, for example. Ayan. Try natin So ayan, nag-charge na siya. Meron siyang blue light indicator na nag-charge siya. And then once you're done, para ma-retain mo yung pagka-waterproof niya, you just have to close this. And it will snap in place and then ibalik mo lang to yung pinaka-lock niya. Yan. So ito ay waterproof case. So kahit mabasa siya ng ulan, you can still use the lights. Okay, so ang light mode niya is malakas, weaker na onte para makasave ng battery, and then the blinker for emergency purposes. Ayos. And then if you want to use this is actually a plasma lighter. Tingnan nyo. So hindi mo na kailangan i-refill. Okay? So unlimited na yung pangsindi. Okay? And then once you're done, isarado mo lang siya. It will click in place and then lock para secure. So you can use something here para i-dangle mo lang siya doon sa bag mo. Alright, so you can carry it anywhere you go. Ayos, if you wanna get one of these, just tap the yellow basket. So ito try natin kasi ako hindi ako nag-yoyosi, no? So kunyari nandun ka sa camping at try natin to. Yeah, so it created fire. At i-charge mo lang siya, meron ka ng unlimited light so long as hindi ito mabasa. Subukan natin ng ating product, no, from TikTok. So ito yung switch niya dito sa baba. Tingnan natin gaano siya kalakas. Patayin ko yung ilaw ko dito sa smartphone. Yung strobe light niya, party tugs 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 tug dug dugs tugs tugs tug dug dugs tugs tugs tug dug dugs. Okay, so ayan na siya. Kita nyo naman, very handy siya. So, ikabit nyo lang yung susi nyo dyan at meron na kayong umiilaw na keychain. What are you waiting for? Tap the yellow basket to get this amazing product.